Hey beauties, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are actually here with a special guest. May I ask my special guest name? We are here with Saiba because we are going to do a very relaxed unboxing video for you all, because we have received a lot of packages and I wanted to do this for Instagram stories and for TikTok, but why don't you just make a relaxing video for YouTube where you guys can see. I will show you guys what we got this week in our PR and what do we have to show you guys and all of that jazz, right? We got this week. We're just sitting in our living room. I want to make some coffee and Saiba wants some hot chocolate, right? So we're just gonna do that as well. But let's do some PR packages. I'm gonna show you guys what we got. We've got quite a few over here. We're gonna go through every single one with you guys and show you guys what we received.
Little pillow and a cute blanket.
So the first package we have is from a new fragrance brand called The Maker. It's exclusively available in Sephora Canada right now. They were really kind enough to send me their signature fragrance. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys. Saiba is just excited because it came with a little pillow and little blanket kind of thing, like the PR packages like that, and she only wants the pillow and the blanket. That's why she's been waiting for me to open this so she can have the pillow and the blanket. Anyway, so the product is the brand is the Maker Dream, which is this one, and it's their eau de parfum, inspired by a sweet fantasy. The Maker Dream eau de parfum is an enchanting gourmet scent with notes of hypnotizing vanilla, bourbon, seductive sandalwood, creamy cinnamon, butter, and eternal magnolia kind of notes. And this is a perfect time in the year when you can wear these notes because they are very, very warm. Okay, I don't have, oh my god, I don't have any fragrance on right now, so I'm gonna apply this. Oh my god. I'm not even a vanilla person and I'm loving this scent. Oh my god. So this smells good, right? Smell? You smell? Go, come on. Give me your arm. Try it. Okay, try it. What do you think?
Smells like cinnamon roll.
She said it smells like cinnamon roll. Honestly, look at this, guys. It's so pretty. The bottle is really pretty and I'm so oh my god, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Maker Dream, for sending this over for me, because I never thought I would be in love with vanilla. I really don't like vanilla in my scent, but this is very, very pretty. I really, really like it. So thank you so much for this. We're definitely going to be using this one a lot. So let's move this on this side. Blue one? Let's do the blue one.
I'm gonna open it now.
So we are opening the blue one because Saiba wants to open the blue one now. So this one is from Drunk Elephant. I love Drunk Elephant PRs because, wait, I need to show this. They're always really colorful from the middle. Their packaging is always really colorful, so it's a really nice treat. Okay.
It's really cute and it comes with all these notes.
Yes, it comes with all these beautiful notes. They always send a booklet for all their products, which is really, really handy sometimes, because if you just want to read about other products and everything, it's all in here. And it's nice like having that knowledge of a brand as well. So they were really kind enough. They send us a couple of items. There are some bronzy drops. I have tried them in the past. I really like them. There is a glycolic night serum. Again, I have tried it in the past and I really, really liked it. And they also send us their bouncy bright facial mask. I haven't tried this one though. I have tried their baby facial, and that's one of my favorite at-home facial mask. And this one is the new one. This is the bouncy bright facial. So we're gonna go ahead and try this as well in upcoming days and see What do I think? I do like Drunk Elephant products. I have used them in the past. I am still using. I love their vitamin C's for the face and the eyes. It's a good one. So that's from that's from Drunk Elephant.
I want to see the golden one because you probably might got the special golden one.
No, it's not a special golden one. We have tried this in the past. It's like those little illuminators.
It's a little card in it.
Yeah, there's little cards and everything. So we have all of these stuff from Drunk Elephant. Thank you so much, Drunk Elephant, for sending this over. Appreciate it, as always.
Black.
Okay, let's do the next one. Is from Ardell, and Ardell always keep me stocked with lashes. We've got some more lashes for holiday time now. There's always a really nice note from Ardell. There's some fox mink lashes. There is like a falscara, like under lashes. This is the same as like his falscara lashes, but this one is from Ardell. And we also have the 3D mink lashes and some more lashes and some glue. I'm always stocked up from Ardell for the lashes. So thank you so much for sending this over, Ardell. No, there you go.
My mom always buys everything for her, but not for me.
Okay, I have to say this to all the brands. If you're sending me PR, you have to start sending something for my child as well because she feels left out. There you go, I said it. Okay, so these are the Ardell ones. The next one we have is from Youth to the People. And Youth to the People send us one of their holiday sets. This is a really cute set. It is their green tea spinach vitamin superfood cleanser. Their superfood skin drip serum, the glow serum, that is one of my favorite serum. It is actually really glowy, gives you a lot of glow on your face. And also their travel size superfood air whip moisture cream. So this is the set. It's one of their holiday sets. They came out with a couple of different variations this year, and this one is one of them. No, Putu, I think I'm going to give this one away. I already have used a lot of stuff from Youth to the People, so I'm going to do a giveaway for this set because I think it's the best way to try this brand if you never tried it in the past. So there'll be more details coming about the giveaway very soon. Next one we have is from It Cosmetics.
And it looks like a little cupboard.
It Cosmetics send us both of their concealers. There is a Bye Bye Dark Spot Concealer and their original under eye Bye Bye Concealer as well, which is full coverage and anti-aging. I have tried both formulas in the past and I really like it. So thank you so much for this, and they recommend these formulas to be blended with kabuki brush only. So if you don't have one, get one, because this is actually a really good, especially this particular formula. It's very good for spot concealing, and on the days when you don't want to do any makeup but you just want a little bit even out, you should try this one. I think you're gonna really like it. So thank you so much for It Cosmetics for sending this over. Are we done with all these? Yeah, we're done with all
these. We didn't do this one.
We didn't do this one? What's in there? Oh, yeah. So this one came from Shiseido. You know how much I love the Shiseido foundation. I absolutely dig that foundation. If you have a dry skin and you're looking for a good glowy foundation, you need to try the Shiseido one. You're gonna absolutely love it. Shiseido was very kind enough to send me their Ultimune range, which is their face serum and also their eye serum. I have tried both of these products in the past when I was working at Shoppers, so I'm already familiar with the formula and I do like it. It's a very big package and a very important package. I never waited for a product or a brand to try like this desperately. This package. This is my name. This package came from, this says Evelyn Randhawa. This package came from Tir, and Tir was really kind enough to really spoil me with pretty much everything. You know, you've seen those Tir advent calendars. It's pretty much what you see in the advent calendar. They send me everything. So the first thing I have is this really cute ornament for the tree. It has a little puff and the 2 of the glosses, I believe.
Oh, no fair.
Actually, I'm not gonna open this one right now. I'm gonna put this on my tree, and I'm gonna do it on the Christmas. We'll do it on the Christmas day.
No,
But
Christmas
I'll show
Eve.
you. Okay, no, we're opening presents on Christmas day. I'll show you what else we got from Tir in the rest of the package, though. Literally everything Tir has. This is all their skincare. We're gonna go. Oh, this is so heavy. We're gonna go through one by one. So Tir sent me pretty much everything. One thing I want to point out about this brand is, because even I wasn't aware of this. This brand is hypoallergenic, cruelty-free, free from parabens, free from sulfates, and throughout the thoroughly tested at labs and dermatologists. So this is this is a lot of claims Tir actually wrote down on this piece of paper, and I'm so impressed and so happy to know that this is a cruelty-free brand and is paraben-free and sulfates-free, because anybody who has a sensitive skin will know how harmful these chemicals can be on your skin. So I'm really happy to know that. Okay, so this is that, and then we also have, let me see, Putu.
One time.
My Glow Honey Lip Oil. Ooh, you want to try that?
Sure.
Let's try it. Okay. Ah! Because I already know this product is totally all the bad chemicals free, I don't mind putting it on Sahi's lips, because I'm very, very particular when it comes to certain products she wants to try. Yeah, let's put it on. We also have their rosy lip oils, lavender lip oil, and mint lip oil. So basically all their oils.
I really want to try to.
Oh my god, look at your lips.
What?
I'm gonna do some.
Wow. It cleans your lips so pretty.
Glassy lips. Literally glassy lips. We also have one more package from them, because they specifically asked me, is there a one product I would like to try, and I can let them know. And I already have their silver cushion foundation and the red cushion foundation, but I didn't have the red cushion in the right shade. So I asked them, I said, if it's okay with you, can I have the 29 N shade in red cushion, because I bought it twice and both times the shade was not right for me, and I want to try your third formula as well, which is supposed to be totally matte. So they were really kind enough to send me their mass fit in the what is this one? This is like a pink formula, and they also send me my correct shade in the red foundation too. And alongside this, they also send me their makeup setting spray. And what else? What is this? What is this one?
It says. It says.
I think it's their holiday lip oil. It's
No.
their let me show them.
No, it's lip gloss.
It's
Lip
their
gloss.
holiday lip oil.
It might be lip gloss.
You want to try?
Sure.
Open it for me. Thank you. Be careful. So we are going to be doing a very soon the side-by-side comparison for all their 3 formulas. I already have a video on my TikTok where I showed you guys how the red one looks on the skin and how the silver one looks. I will be doing a video using every single formula separately for a whole look and combining the whole video in one, so you can see how they all look on the skin. The red foundation is you're putting too much stuff. The red foundation is more of a the red foundation is more of a matte formula. Silver one is more for a dewy kind of like look, more for dry skin. And the pink one, as far as I know, is a semi-matte formula. But I haven't tried it yet, but I'll be trying it very soon and letting you know very, very soon. But here, you spoiled me. You spoiled me big time. Whether I was expecting like couple of products to come from you and just do a review about them, you literally made my day by sending me every single thing from their skincare. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie, in my last Yes Style website order, I did order a travel size of a Tir skincare kit, and I was loving absolutely loving this hair anti-aging serum. Unboxing with myself
Love you.
and Saiba, and I hope you guys enjoyed this relaxed video and relaxed unboxing. We're gonna do more of this. Hopefully both of us will be doing it. If not, then I'll be definitely doing more this kind of video where I'll do the unboxing and I'll show you guys what we got and what is actually worth buying and what's not worth buying. But I will keep you posted about the rest of the hair skincare. Everything else is definitely worth it. Used to the People is definitely worth it. Drunk Elephant is definitely worth it. And this fragrance from Maker, I can't believe I'm wearing it and I'm still like overwhelmed by the scent. It looks so good and it smells so beautiful. So I am spoiled. I'm spoiled big time. So thank you so much guys for watching. Hey you. Was it thank you? Thank you.
Make sure you get me a present.
Thank you so much guys for watching this unboxing. If you like this kind of relaxed video, feel free to leave in the comment section. I'm happy to make more this kind of relaxing vlog videos for you. And we will see you guys next time in our next video together. Thank you so much. And if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channels and follow us on Instagram and TikTok.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And don't forget to share as well.